So, good afternoon. I would like to show you how artificial intelligence can enhance your maintenance activities for process gas chromatographs. Since process gas chromatographs and their sample handling systems contain valves, switches, filters, columns, detectors, they require frequent maintenance. And normally the application engineer or the maintenance engineer visits the analyzer on a frequent basis to check the healthiness of the analyzer. If there are any anomalies in the chromatogram, as you can see here, like baseline noise, spikes, or unidentified peaks, they know how to act and what to do. If we have the GCs installed in the field and coupled to a network transferring the data to a PC analyzer server, then we can collect the data, and with help of artificial intelligence, we use machine learning to train the system on anomalies detection in the chromatograms. What we can also do is to predict when a column needs to be replaced. The column is consumable, and this is done if you consider the retention between two peaks, and if the performance of the separation will get worse. So peaks are moving to each other, and at a certain moment they will overlap, so you have insufficient separation. Based on having this as an index, we can train the system to predict maintenance or replacement of the column 90 days in advance. So artificial intelligence will help you by machine learning that notifies users about abnormal phenomena in your chromatograms. You can optimize column replacement timing. It can detect unusual conditions you would like to avoid. It helps to deal with malfunctions in advance, so no trouble. And last but not least, it predicts the soundness of the instrument. Dankeschön. And of course, we have a GC at our booth, and you can visit us, you can ask us questions, we will explain and show you some more if you want. Thank you very much. Dankeschön.